Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing my first DIY ever. I am doing part 1 to my 3-part series for the DIY. I am doing the palm tree theme photo wall art. Sorry, that was a lot to say. So I'm just showing you guys what I got here, which is just Rust-Oleum paint. Also got Mod Podge, a regular. Well, actually, I had to use one of my makeup brushes, which I'm kind of upset, but you gotta do what you gotta do. And these are just some leaves that I got from Walmart. Glitter, hot glue gun, everything that I use, you guys will see, but I will also put it in the description down below. So yeah, I hope you guys really do enjoy this video. It was so much fun making. By the way, there was glitter everywhere, so I was not happy about that, but overall it came out beautiful. And by the way, this DIY project was under, I would say, 15 bucks, and the only reason why I say under 15 was because I had the majority of the items already. So yeah, this part here, you can see me just spray painting the paper that was already in the frame, and I did it gold. Okay, so what I did here was I added some Mod Podge to the paper. I think I went a little bit overboard, but that's okay. And then if you don't want to do this, honestly, there's other alternatives. You can go to Michael's or Joann's or AC Moore. You can just buy the papers that are already colorful and that has glitter already on it for like 99 cents. But I just decided to do this. Okay, so for this part, honestly, it was a little time consuming. This is probably what took me the longest to finish this project, and it was because I had to place the leaves, make sure it's the right length, the right size, and I had to pretty much figure out how I wanted it before I added the glue, for the simple fact that once I added the glue, I wasn't able to remove it, especially since this paper had glitter on it. But yeah, overall it came out nice. Okay, so this is the picture frame. I just flipped it over. I made sure to add the paper to it with the design that I wanted, and then I added the yellow paper on top just for some sturdiness. So for this part, I actually did the same thing I did in the first picture frame. Just this one, I added 2 leaves instead of 1, and then I also added glitter at the end for some oomph. So the good thing about these leaves is honestly they're wired in the back, so you can shape them any way you want it to be shaped. And then I bought the whole pack of leaves at Walmart, and it was only $4 for it. So it was good. I think that was the most expensive thing I got. Everything else I had, the Rust-Oleum paint, the Mod Podge, I had that. But everything else, the picture frames were from Dollar Tree. Again, the leaves were from Walmart, which was $4. So again, this project was definitely under $15. I'm gonna show you guys how it all came out. They look so good, guys. I'm so proud of myself. This is my first DIY that I've ever done. Super happy. Came out beautiful, guys. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please share and comment, and more DIYs to come.